Hello roller skaters. Today we are talking about a technique that can be applied to stalls, different kinds of stalls, to make the stalls more stable and so that the stalls can later on be turned into other tricks or connected to other tricks. And I call it stall squatting. So basically when you get into the stall, you're going to drop down and squat and touch either one or both sets of fingertips to the coping. And what that's going to do, obviously it's going to lower your center of gravity and it's going to make you more stable, and you're going to have to try to kind of hang out there for a bit. So it's a bit of a challenge, but it's a good challenge. We're going to give it a go, shall we? All right. So we're starting to that's just a standard stall, right? Standard front side. Now I'm going to squat. How about that? Squat it, touch.
Yeah.
See how much more stable that is?
Way more stable.
Now let's try it. Fakie. Fakie. Touch.
And you're on it for a longer time.
You have to hang out. Hang out, touch. So, this is fun in a way because if you mess up, you're lower. So you're probably just gonna fall and slide down. It won't be a real bad fall, right? Let's see if we can do this with a backside, shall we? Up.
Ah.
Up. Up.
Your backsides are so
Didn't quite
nice.
touch it. There it is.
Nice.
So, why might you want to do this? There's a trick called a Spider-Man that can be done a lot of different ways, and you have to be able to touch the coping to do it, kind of like this. Oh, almost, not quite. Try it again. There
You go, Spidey.
So Spidey, you gotta kind of hang on that coping. I'll put the link in the description below to the video I did about that, Spider-Man. The other thing this would be great for is if you're gonna try to do rotations off of your stalls, right? So you're gonna try to jump on, squat, and then jump off, right? You're gonna want to get low. So the squat stall can be applied, I mean, you could half cab your squat stall. You could, whatever you want to do, try to squat it. See how it works for you. And if the technique helps you, please let us know. And please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.